How to add a lease agreement in ZenTreasury. Start the process from the settings to confirm that you have created the right lease type as an instrument. This selection you can find from the settings by choosing Instruments and then Lease Type. Here, you can define what lease types users can add to your register. You can add new lease type by clicking the plus icon and filling in at least all the fields marked with a red star and choosing the interest calculation method from the drop-down menu. Before saving your data, make sure the lease type status is active. You can also disable the types you wish to have inactive. Next, navigate to the Leasing module to open the lease register. Then, add a lease agreement by clicking the plus sign on top right and choosing the type of lease instrument you wish to create. Now, create the agreement by filling in all the required fields on the information sheet and add more information on the Additional and Facility Management sheets, if you wish, and click Save. Now you can proceed and generate the lease flows for your lease agreement. Select Generate Flows and confirm the pre-filled information on your lease flows. If you already know that there will be a price increase to your lease agreement, fill in the information on the open fields under Price Increase. Once the lease flow data is ready to be saved, click Save, go through the flows given on the Add Flow sheet, and click Save again. You can now see the complete list of your lease payments and balance sheet values for the periods given. If for any reason you would need to clear the flows and redo the previous process relating to flow generation, you can delete all the flows with the Clear All selection. Additionally, you can edit a single lease flow by choosing the Edit sign and typing in the correct information manually. You can still go and add, for example, a lease agreement as an attachment by selecting Attachments on the additional tabs appearing. The lease agreement has now been successfully added to your lease register, and you can see the lease flows appearing in the dashboard view.